Alright, beautiful people, so you're welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to add an add-on domain to an existing hosting plan. Exactly as we all know, there are two major things you need whenever you want to host a website. You need a hosting plan and then you need your domain name. Most times, you can host more than one domain on your particular hosting package. One will serve as a primary domain and the other one will serve as the add-on domain. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can attach another add-on domain to your existing primary hosting plan. So let's get right into the video. I'm at the back end of my domain registrar right now. I already have 3 domains which are registered on this account. So these are the 3 domains which are registered on my domain registrar account. So in order to start this, there are 2 basic things which you are going to do, and I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you're going to do it and how you are going to propagate your new add-on domain. At this point, the first thing you're going to do is the fact that apart from your primary domain, you're going to purchase your add-on domain. Once your add-on domain is purchased, then you are now going to add it to your hosting package. First, just log into your cPanel. Here is the login tab of my own cPanel. So once I click here, it's going to redirect me, or it's going to take me directly to my cPanel right here. So once you get to your cPanel, just type in domains in the search tools bar. It's going to take me directly to the domain section. In the domain section right here, I have the 2 domains which are already added on this hosting plan. So the hosting plan which I use right now is able to host like 5 domains, but presently I'm hosting like 2. I have already registered an additional domain which we are now going to add onto this particular hosting plan. Just copy the name of the domain which you have registered and then bring it over to this place. You come to this, create a new domain, just write your domain name. Okay, my domain name is written there right now. So you're going to uncheck this share document root option, then you're just going to press submit. It can take a moment to create a new domain. This can actually occur on a large number of domains, so it's just going to take some few times, and then it says you have successfully created the new domain with the root. So it says it's actually a success right here. A lot of times you might get a failure error here. This is definitely going to take us to the second step, and I'll explain why it is actually like that. If you can look at this, you see that our add-on domain has actually been added in the list of our domains right here. Once it has been added like this, you can do a lot of things. You can manage the domain right here, and then you can create email account from this particular place. Now, a lot of times when you get a failure error here, most times it's due to the fact that the domain which you have added is actually not pointing to the name server of the hosting plan which you are using. So what you are definitely going to do is you are going to come to this side where you have all your domain, and then you're going to check your name servers. All right, so it says manage name servers right here. So you go to manage name servers. So when you get to manage name servers, you're going to see your name server 1 and then your name server 2, exactly like this, which is present. It will always be present on your primary domain. So you go to your newly added domain. So you go to manage name servers. A lot of times, if you did not choose the hosting plan name server while you were buying the add-on domain, it might just be, the tab might just be on use default name server, and this will not be added right here. But definitely you just have to choose use your custom name servers, and then you put in the name server of your primary domain or the name servers of your hosting. Once that is done, you just change name servers, and then it might take up to 24 hours to propagate, but it will definitely propagate. So guys, that is how you can actually add an add-on domain to your primary hosting plan. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you got value in every step. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications so that any other video which we drop, you will be notified. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next one.